It was a typical lockdown day, a Groundhog Day, and I wondered what I was going to do with myself. I went to the shop to get a few bits, and on my return there was a commotion in the bottom field. In the 8 summers that I've spent in Snowdonia, there's been one major day in the farming calendar that I've managed to miss. It looked like this might be my chance to make up for it. Brothers, sisters and cousins, fathers and grandfathers, assisted by their loyal hounds, had gathered together to round up the sheep. To watch 3 generations working happily together was going to be a privilege few outsiders get to enjoy. I've always had romantic notions about shepherding in the mountains, but it's hard work, and it's a sad fact that the wonderful natural resource they would be harvesting today has been devalued. It costs more to shear a sheep than the value of the fleece itself. But this is a way of life. I hope it continues for generations to come.